I found two snails. And a huge green frog. You see, this is huge green frog. The beautiful color, green with yellow line. Wow, look at that, gorgeous. Hello, good evening everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to looking for some land snails, but tonight it's a little bit cold and windy. I don't know if the snail will come out or not. Okay, let's see. Where are the snail goes? I only see two green frog here for the first. Here, it's the green frog. One here, and another one is here. Two green frogs. Yeah. Okay, let's go and find some snails. There's a big spider here. What spider is this? It's huge one. Huge spider. Wow, look at the body. This spider is very big. Oh yes. It's my first snail. Snails here. Normally they all come out in group here, especially on a rainy night, but tonight is a cold windy night. Wind blowing from north with the cold wind from north, so maybe the snail will not come out. But I already found one now. Okay, let's look for some more. Here I found my second snails here. I've been walking here around for about 15 minutes now and just found two snails. Okay, let's look for more. Here I find my third snail. Third snail is here. Another one here, but I usually see those big snails here around the house, but tonight seems not find them yet. Yeah, I see another one here, bigger one. There are two snails there in the grass. And one is here. One more is get 7 snails now. Okay, over there I found 2 snails. And a shoot green frog. You see, this is shoot green frog. The beautiful color, green with yellow line. Wow, look at that, gorgeous. Yeah, there is one more snails here next to me. And over here there is another one. Small one. Over here there are 2 snails. It's the big one. Snails here with 1 green frog next to them. And there in the water there's a lot of fish here. See, they are swimming for food all the way there. I'm not fishing tonight. Just come and watch them swimming all the way over there. And all the way here. They all come up to the surface for food. There are one more snail here. Look at that. So these are snails I have collected tonight. It's not a lot because they all not come out. The weather is cold, so maybe they stay in the place. So just collect them and I can prepare them with some food. Okay, so just put them back here. Just put them back here. And look at this food here. Put them together here. You will enjoy the food and hurry to go back into the place because the weather is gonna be colder at night. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will see you next video.